Hi, this is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. I'm up on top of a roof of an RV 2016 NEWMAR Dutch Star. But what we're going to do is be putting in a weed boost. All right, and the owner of this actually said, hey, there might be a thing up on top. So I looked. It's kind of tight. Let me show you. There you go. So my ceiling's 14.8, so we're pretty good. We still can get them in. I'll recess these lights later, but this is what I found. Here's the wind guard powered antenna, which I'll probably hook it up to there, and then bring the cable over with cable mounts into this. But I have to open this panel and push the cable all the way to the front cap. So hopefully there's a clear passage, but we'll see, right? All right, so I'll turn it back. So basically, I'm going to pull all this putty off. And you always bring up a number 2 Phillips. All right. And a number 2 square bit, because you don't know what they're used. Well, this was a number 2 square bit, or Robinson bit. See how it's square? So basically, I'm going to pull this panel up. And if I don't like the routing of it, or if it's in a clear shot, well, we'll figure it out from there. Okay, this is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. We're going to put this weed boost system in. And I believe this is the last thing I got left on this vehicle. I'll see if the LED lights work in the awning system on the passenger side. I know they were working, but yeah, we'll find out. Okay, ready? I'm going to turn it around. Turn around, I'm laying down on the job again. I say that a lot, don't I? All right, thank you. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. This is be a continuation video of this.